This is a brief tutorial on how to get rid of outdated information from your website. So you first need to log in using the button up here. You can see I'm already logged in. Using your username and password. Please email me if you've forgotten. I'll have to reset your password. And then what you do is you find your page. Once you get to your page, and I'll just pick any page here, you turn this toggle to green, and that turns your design mode on. Once your design mode is on, you now see some buttons up here on top of these portlets. If you click the pencil or even the portlet, it opens up the editor, and then you can come in here and you can click on things and delete and adjust things. So that's how you can clear off your outdated information. Again, if you need to have a username and password reset, just let me know. Thanks.